Okay, so imagine a situation where you guys want to intersect this and this one, but you don't know what is the length between this. So, example, imagine you are not able to measure distance from here to here. Or say right now it is there, but sometimes what happens? So check. So sometimes what happens here from here to here, you don't have distance. Just imagine it is not there, or maybe from here to here, or maybe here to here. Say it is crooked, some kind of a crooked thing. So how do I know like how much should I take? Like how should I get beams interconnected? How can I do it? So you can do it something like this. So first, let's give it as make it -5 something link steps, so just give it okay. Then again same with this also, just set -5 and give it okay. Right, -5 and what do this link steps. Yeah, so once this is done, what you guys can do is so yeah, I can delete this off first permanently, and yeah, so to this come to this intersect. Yeah, okay. So yes, and here just give it here. So you have a point in here. So you guys can see right now, right? There's a point in here. So we have created a point. So just add beam from here to here. So using this method, you can do this. If you think the video was helpful for you guys, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.